Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Yeah, Fred here going to run through the trade on the 2nd of May, 2025. We just got to finish the U.S. closed live trading room. As always, trades of the day are trades actually taken in the live trading room, either by myself or traders in the room. Usually it is both. And today is no exception. We had some amazing trades. Those of you who have been with us for any period of time will recognize this one right away. We have this green candle right here is 4 times stronger than the previous candle. So we have an indicator from Samurai Day Trading that shows how strong the candle is. And this is the little green arrow says go ahead and take it long. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to wait for this candle to retrace this a little bit. Doesn't have to retrace very far. Stick our order above the current candle or on the body of the green candle, and then we'll take it up, try and take it up to the R2. We look over here at this indicator, PVI. We expect the next candle to be about 60 ticks long. So we're going to have our ATM. We're going to go for 16s, 30s, and 61s. We'll be de-risking the trade after 16s and seeing if we can catch our runners. So that's the plan. And here we go. We're going to buy, drop it down over here. Be good. Pretty sure that's where we picked it up. Let it push down. If you want to drop it down, well, we didn't have enough time to actually do that. Drop it down to the body of the green candle, but that's all right. We'll leave it where it is. First thing we got to do is move our stop where it belongs and wait for our first target to be hit. So we'll keep it at regular speed until that happens. Now, watch what happens when the first target gets taken out. Our stop is going to go from all the way down here, all the way up here. So we got 16 ticks first targets, 15 clear. So our stop's going to go to minus 14 once our first targets are hit. Okay, let's wait a minute here. Here we go. See how the stop got moved automatically? Now we're break even. We're sitting here with our feet propped up, enjoying life, just waiting to see, cheering the market on, wondering if we're going to get our larger targets hit. So we're just going to sit here and watch it. We'll speed it up a bit. Go to 4 times. Now it got really close to our second target, but didn't take us out. And how many times do you see your first target get taken out, and then the market comes back and takes everybody out at +1, and then goes and pays all the longer targets? So we give it a little bit of room to maneuver, and we'll go from there. So we're halfway through the candle. First target's out. And we do have Fibonacci reasons why this candle is stalling here. So, sometimes that's all you're going to get out of it. But this is a pretty strong candle, so we're going to let it play and see what happens. The worst that can happen at this point is that we get a break-even trade. Then we have to decide whether we want to re-enter or not. We just hedge ourselves in case the market just wants to go the other way. See how it came back? Took everybody out that went to +1. This is taking more than 5 minutes. Usually our trades of the day take about 5 minutes. This one's taking a little bit longer. Again, we expect this to be about a 60 tick candle. It's already at 60 ticks as it is. So we probably should start squeezing this. I want to make sure I don't get nothing on my last target. All right, we're going to start squeezing this now. I could have sworn we got all targets on this one. There we go. All right, very good. That took a little longer than normal. So it took almost a full 10 minutes to get paid. That trade was worth 620 US dollars and took about 10 minutes to pay. That's one of the longer trades of the days that we had. However, if you don't mind making $620 in 10 minutes, that's not too bad a deal. So if you want to make 620 bucks in 10 minutes, come and join us in the Samurai Day Trading live trading room. That's samuraidaytrading.com, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. Have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.